Hi, this is Alina. Thanks for coming back. Today we will introduce 5 tricks of Varium. The first trick is to use Emboss folder to emboss image on Varium. It is very easy, but it's very beautiful. Here we made some samples on different weight of Variums. At present, we sell 4 weights of Variums. Some people asked me what is the difference. I personally think they are almost the same if you to make a normal card. You can see these 4 samples I have already embossed. The margin and the clear is almost the same. But if you want to use this Varium to make a chic card, I recommend the heavy Varium, because the heavy Varium is much harder. The second trick is painting on Varium. Here I have already made a sample. First, I use this emboss folder to emboss the image on the Varium. Then we paint on the back side. We use a sponge to paint. So then the Varium turn over. You will find the image was colored, but the color is a little weak, but it's very special. Here we see this picture. The color is very gentle and very pretty. The trick 3 is hot foiling the Varium and whitening the image. Here we will use this flower hot foil plate and the hot foil paper. First, we foiling the flowers on the Varium. Then we will work on flowers. Here we need a soft pad. I have no soft pad, so I found a mouse pad. We make the Varium backside over. Here are embossing tools. We need to use the smaller ball ends. I picked these 2 pens. Then we can work on the sheet. We start certainly movement going around inside the flower. Give the pressure on the Varium when the pen is moving. Then we can see the Varium comes out into the white. Here we can see this flower turns out white. And turn over the Varium. We find the flower also embossed. Okay, I fixed the details with the sharp ends. Okay, here we finished this flower. You can see the flower comes out into white and it was embossed. Then we see the flower. Actually, we have frame cutting dies for this flower hot foil plates, but my factory produced the frame die a little larger. So some customers said the frame die is not very much to the flowers. I'm sorry about it, but I agree. So if you use this foil flower, you can see the frame. It is very easy. Here is a finished flower we have made. We used the golden foil and put up here in the center. Because the Varium is semi-transparent and seems gentle, the flower seems very special. Here is a happy birthday card. We used the flower to decorate this card. It is very pretty. I will make a simple introduce about this happy birthday card. Of course, we used flower hot foil plates. Also, we used this happy birthday frame dies. This frame die can cut out a window. Also, it can cut out the background frame. kinds of sequins and beads as stickers. And this happy birthday stamp. We stamped it with glue on the plastic sheet, sprayed with white glitter powder. Trick 4. Stamping Varium and glitter and whitening the images. This trick is also very easy but comes out very pretty. First, I stamp glue on this beautiful oval frame and spray with golden powder. Here we come out after hot melt. The flower is already very pretty. Okay, then we make the flower turns out white and embossed. Here we finished. We will make a chic card with this sheet. Trick 5. Stamping Varium and decorate embellishment with glitter powder. Here we will use the balloon dies and the border stamps. First, we stamp the glue on the Varium. Then we spray glitter powder on the Varium and melt it. Here it was melted. And then we cut the balloon out. After all the balloons cut out, we work on the margins. The same, we use the glues and we stick the white powders around the balloons. Then we make the powder melted. Here are finished balloons. They are very beautiful and seems very light. Then we will use these balloons to make a very beautiful card. Okay, here's today's video. I hope it can give some inspiration and I wish you play a lot of fun with variums. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.